In a significant restructuring of Zimbabwe's military leadership, President Emmerson Mnangagwa has promoted Lieutenant General Emmanuel Matatu to the rank of general and appointed him as new commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces (ZDF), effective 21 November 2025. This follows the retirement of long-serving ZDF commander General Philip Valerius Banda. Sarabina mashoko bwanyu kapangwa ine Mnangagwa achapoita first founder as ZNA commander ndoiwa subscribe oleko on the bell icon. Team the restructuring yotwa mtungamiri wenyika kumauto mubwanyu kwa mchinzi. In a separate but related move, the president has promoted Major General Asha Walter Tafmane to the rank of Lieutenant General and appointed him commander of the Zimbabwe National Army ZNA, effective 25 November 2025. The announcements were made in an official press statement issued today by the Chief Secretary of the President Cabinet, Dr. Martin Rushwaya, on behalf of the Office of the President and Cabinet. Key appointments at a glance. Position: new appointee Lieutenant Emmanuel Matatu as Commander of Zimbabwe Defense Forces, Major General Asha Walter Tafmane as Commander of Zimbabwe National Army. The statement cited constitutional provisions under Section 216 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe, due together with the relevant sections of the Defense Act, as the legal basis of the promotion and appointments. General Philip Valerius Banda's retirement has been anticipated for weeks, with the military sources confirming farewell drills and the rehearsals underway at KG6 barracks in Harare. Siwanda, who has led the ZDF since December 2017, had his term extended last year despite reaching the statutory retirement age. Lieutenant General Emmanuel Matatu, aged 73, is a respected ZPRA veteran and has served as ZNA commander since March 2025. Analysts describe him as a transitional figure due to his age, suggesting the top ZDF post may be short-lived if further changes occur ahead of the ZANU-PF's 2027 Congress. The most eyebrow-raising development is the meteoric rise of Lieutenant General Asha Walter Tafmane. Tafmane, a former Deputy Director General in the Central Intelligence Organization and a key figure linked to the controversial Forever Associates Zimbabwe FAS, a ZANU-PF-aligned entity accused of opposing and rights groups of voter intimidation during the 2023 elections, retired from the army over 20 years ago as a colonel, later honorary brigadier upon retirement. Ndo mashoko ari kuda panguva inoi pamusoro pemadevelopments emareshuffles oitika awa kumauto. Pinda comment section medu unzwa mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.